Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got nice black hair. This is black and jet black that I mixed together. Sort of a quick, easy way to basically get your curly hair black or even your straight hair. This method worked for me. The way I did it worked perfectly fine, and the hair is nice and black, and I am craving black hair so bad. And it's nice and long, and this hair, it is from AfricanMall. So they did send me over some of their water wave hair. I have 3 bundles in a closure, 2 26, 24, and then a 20-inch middle part closure. And of course I plucked the part, added some makeup, and I made the wig into a hot glue type of thing, you know, like always. And this hair has been holding up fine. I did sleep with it a couple times. And I did let my sister wear it a couple times, and it's still holding up pretty darn fine. Like, as you can see, it's nice, and you know, the curls are still there. They're not like withering away, or it isn't napping up or anything like that. So I really like this hair. So basically today's video is just going to be me showing you a quick, easy way to color your hair black or even brown or whatever color you want, but to have the color really stick, because I left the hair in the water for about 20 minutes, so that helped a lot. And I think the color just looks really nice. The hair is super soft, super long. I don't have any pants on, but it goes literally to my belly button. And I am 5'3" for order length reference. And I do have a 10% off code for you guys. I will put it somewhere on the screen, and that is not only for hair, but it is for any items on their website. And as you guys know, I just did a try-on haul featuring this company, so definitely take advantage of that. Y'all can get some cute clothes or some hair, whatever, you know. And AfricanMall is actually the first company that I worked with as far as curly, really curly hair. I did that bob, and it didn't go really viral, but the views did pretty good on that video, and people liked the bob that I cut, the way that I cut it. And that was last year around, I'd say April. So definitely check that out if you haven't. But if you are a subscriber, you probably have seen that video. But I am not new to this company. I have worked with them before, so that's all I'm kind of saying. I've done 2 try-on hauls for them, and I've gotten hair from them twice now. So if you guys want to see how you can easily get this nice jet black color, then please keep watching. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys, because nobody got time to just sit and spread dye on a whole wig, especially when you got inches like 26. So I hope this video helps you guys out. I love you guys so much, like always, and please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. So I am starting off with a medium-sized pot of water, and I'm going to let it kind of start to simmer and get to a first boiling stage. It isn't going to be the type of boiling water that is popping everywhere. So I let it get to that stage, and then this is my little setup, y'all, because I don't have room in my kitchen for a table. It's way too small, so I'm using my deep freezer. And I got these random dyes, these black dyes. One is black, one is jet black, and I'm using a container that the hospital gave me with my frozen milk in it. They gave me like 6 of them, so I just have those for backup. So basically, oh, that's my hair towel, and it has a bunch of bleach and different stains. I know everybody has a hair towel. Basically, I'm going to be pouring in the boiling water, and then some room temperature kind of cold water from the faucet. And doing this, my hands did not get burned. It was tolerable for me, so I was happy about that, and I didn't have any problems. And as you guys can see, I'm just mixing a little, and then I'm gonna use a piece of paper towel to test the blackness. I wanted it to be super dark, so I had to make sure it was. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna do that, so I'm not gonna keep talking. I do want to to say, do not mix the water too much in the dye. Definitely make sure you mix it though. You don't want to put your hair in globs of dye that are just floating around. So make sure you do that. But as you guys can see, it's nice and black how I wanted it. And this process took about 20-30 minutes, which isn't bad. Especially the lack of work you have to put in. And as y'all can see, I'm just dipping, and you can already see it's getting black. So I basically submerged the whole wig in there, and I'm going to set the timer for 14-15 minutes. I ended up letting it sit 5 because I had to tend to my son, and that's pretty much it. It was perfectly fine. I let it air dry and it turned out fine. So I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna let the clips play. So this is the hair after I let it sit, and oh my god, you guys, I love this method, especially with black dye, because the dye does not touch your closure. Like, bro, I thought my closure was dyed black. No, it wasn't. So you don't gotta worry about accidentally getting dye on your freaking closure, because those spots do not come out when you have like a brush and you're using dye. So I love this method, and as y'all can see, that is such a nice black. Like, I was super happy, very pleased with this method. I did get inspiration from this from Ashley Bedeck. She's another hair YouTuber similar to me, and she did this method, and I was like, I'm gonna try this, and it actually worked. So I was really happy. So it should work for you guys, but like I said, I ended up letting this air dry overnight, and it was perfectly fine and curled when I woke up in the morning. So this is the end result, you guys. Look how nice and black that is. It is like a true jet black, and I was obsessed. And you know, this is true black, and my ringlet is showing you guys the truth. But definitely check this hair out. I will link it in the description. It is from AfricanMall. I love you guys, and see you in the next one.